he didn't like her. He even tried to get rid of her by writing her name on the taxes.
Wherever you want to go. Come back to us without having your hair cut off.
Ganga is looking for a farm.
Man. Son of man. Where are you people? I need a dick. I'm officially tired. I'm officially giving up. I'm officially... This thing should stay here. I'm officially tired. Yeah, it's dark. I'm officially giving up. Are you people not bored? Are you people not bored? Are you people not bored? I'm bored though. What are we going to do now? I officially need a dick to suck. No dick. God though. Hey. Like wait. Let me ask you people something. How are people coping in prison? I'm not sure that I fit. I go just commit suicide for them. Me, I'm already 2 weeks indoors. Okay, this is 2 weeks now indoors. I'm already going crazy. I can't even go and visit my boyfriend. Can't worry, phone. As in sneaking. Do you know that I called all the cabman I know in this Abuja to take me? So I can come with a zero phone from my boyfriend. Come back. Now Toto they had they scratch me. I swear, I'm horny. Like I want to fuck, bitch. Like I want some dick inside my pussy. Like I want to be banged. You guys don't understand what I'm feeling. Nobody's understanding my predicament. I've cried and cried and cried. I said, okay, let me come and cry to my Facebook friend. Nobody should come to my inbox and start telling me, let me show you my dick. You show me your pussy. I'm not in that shit. You guys are not my type. They do quite the same though. You know they satisfy me. How you go see dick, you know go enter your toto. That's in a way that better. You guys are for you guys are frustrating me with this thing. Yes, I saw somebody. I have to block you. Yeah. You know yourself that I will block you after this. Like I'm so tired. Like I'm fed up of this coronavirus. Let this thing end already. Oh my God. Somebody should suggest something now. How will I go? Like everywhere is locked down. The lockdown is serious, man. It's very, very serious. Like you can't even order text file. It's not even possible. Before you come out for here, police go push you, go back, say you should go back. And I be like, say I go claim say I know well. I beg any driver with the Abuja go claim say I know. I need to go and kill this country. Before person, I'm not the one where they kill me. Now the indoors I been at the country. Which one who won't kill me so? Country na tamagura na agomo. Everything I name at once. I'm bored. I'm saying that I'm bored. I don't have money. I'm saying that I don't have money. Country home me. They can't lock me inside house. Oh God. Oh God. If I open now, they go say they open Toto for them. Oh, Junior. My fellow people. See, and I want to tell you people something. I don't have haters again. Like all my haters are turning to my fans. Only a few haters. I need people that will broadcast me now. My videos only get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 before I get 100 and something views. Like I need new haters. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. You people should suggest new things to do. all these haters say they hate una. No be only comment ashawo this one. People should share my post. If you share it, it says senior ashawo, so they can view it. If they view it, it's good for me. You understand? It's good for me. It's very good for me when they view it. Don't just call ashawo. You will not share my post. Na thunder go fire you. Your generation ashawo. Man, no talk again. Wetin I dey hear say the rate of divorce now out after this quarantine. People wey go divorce can pass the people wey go even dey peaceful for their marriage. I swear. Because all you people, you guys are bunch of pretenders. This one wey dey come here and shout now. This one wey dey say this one, that one. If I give you toto, you no go fuck. Thunder fire your generation, idiots. Begging. Let's continue with what we are discussing. All this. Can your girlfriend come out with low cost boldly with this kind of my phone and do live video? No, she cannot. She will never try it. But me, I can boldly do it. I will do it without shame because I know I'm wonderfully.
No, that won't happen. Then it's okay. Does your father know that you're here?
I swear. Hunger won't kill me. Hunger. I don't see now. See my cheek. Oh boy, I'm not the fat too. Hey, I never even stay 1 week finish. See my cheek don't the help chineke. Maybe this start my regime. Wow, see. Nah, make them no extend this quarantine. No. Person no go come out for this door. So what's up now? See people where they view. That means
I knew it.
is it my pomo thick now? I know the same. I don't know the kind of thick pomo I carry it. I want to know.
Good day. Is there any event going on in college?
I beg you people should tag Buhari to my video. Tell him that people are dying of conjudiasis. Example, me. How can someone just stay without fucking like? Is it possible? When you are not a virgin, like you can stay a week without fucking. Oh God. Like you can stay a month without fucking. I love you guys. As in, I don't know, you people are the real MVP because me, I cannot stay. I cannot stay. That's why I'm always in a relationship. I cannot be single. How can I be single? How will I be doing this thing now? I wanna consider person now. The only thing now, I've gone 2 weeks now. These 2 weeks now without sex. Oh God, I don't know. I'm feeling like I'm inside my body is burning. I feel tired. I feel weak. I cannot do anything because I have not gotten myself. Like I want to be duped, man. I want to be fucked real hard, like from the back. I prefer doggy, you understand? I prefer doggy style. I enjoy fucking from the back. And you know this style, you just put your back like this, something like this.
I'm glad you went for counseling.
Yeah, the dick will be on top of you. Then you ride the dick. Ride the dick. Oh, I won't come display my skills for Facebook. No, I bring dick man the display now. God.
Tell me something. What did you do with the 1 million that you got from Vikram?
What can I say, Father? One of my friends introduced me to a man in the stock market.
Imagine there.
He had all the information.
Imagine here is your dick. I'll just grab your dick.
I purchased shares of 10,000 in the beginning. The price in shares increased in the markets. I started trusting what he said. One day, he gave me important information
I miss sucking dick, man.
that I could earn $5 1 million by investing 1 million.
I miss sucking dick. Like, I miss sucking.
So I borrowed from Kipra
I miss it.
and used all my money.
Why are you people laughing? I'm serious about this. I miss sucking dick.
They were worth
I miss it. Like,
1.2 million.
my mouth never sucked dick for 2 weeks. It's really disturbing. It's alarming. I'm going crazy. I'm lamenting. No,
It's less than
I'm lamenting. I can. Someone asked me how many times I come. Like, if I'm in the mood, I can come like 10 times a day. Yeah, I come like 10 times. That is if I'm in the mood. But if I'm not in the mood, I can just manage 5 times.
Please put yourself in my shoes. Think about if
I can just manage 5 times. So I don't like disturbing men. You know, these are Nigerian men. Na tramadol and the Viagra. Na they use fuck. They don't get strength.
and fertilizer,
They don't get strength.
when fruits grew,
Single strength.
someone else got them.
All these people now when they say send me account number. Audio money.
Companies made in 10 years.
Even should not mind them. Or if in case you get something to give me, come inbox. I will send the account number. All these people when they post for my timeline, send the account number. None of them will give me shishi. 5 naira, 50 kobo. Nobody give me. So if you are serious, I will DM me. Or if tell me DM me. You know, be send me account number. Na Fela Kuti na be.
It's like you miss one train, and instead of catching another one, you are running after the train
Oh,
you missed, which is
I feel like.
you will just
Oh my God,
accept
I feel like
you have already
crushing a dick. Oh God, any man will catch. My boyfriend is in trouble. I I need new haters, man. That's you. I'm very well. Like my toto is sleepy. Like it's silky. I want to be fucked, man. I miss prick. See, if they say only women remain for this world, me I go follow men die. You, I swear. I go follow men die. Like I cannot stay without a dick. Wetin woman wan do for me? They go backbite you, gossip you, laugh you for front. Abeg, my men una be ultimate. As I get Facebook friend now, if I get 10,000 friends, 9,000 na 9,900 na me only 10 na him be women. I no like women now. Una matter dey tire me now. Una matter dey tire me. Careful. Now men are complaining, no. Like seriously, married men are complaining. Married men, they no go still keep their prick for inside their household. They say they chat their side chick. They tell them say dick on fire. What your wife dey inside the room they do now? If egusi tire you convert them to egusi again. Put more vegetable for the egusi, go the sweet they go. My brother, spice your marriage, oh. Don't let all these side chick they deceive you. If I tell you now the thing what they use for that their toto, you no go believe me. Oh. See, if you want me, I tell you, make your wife toto the sweet. Come my inbox, I go tell you where una go order on our own. Come. Married men, you people should carry that dick, put it in me. When we come, we chat to hey, my wife, shut up. When you were marrying her, don't you know it's for better for worse? If Toto cast, you follow cast them. Shut up, you follow cast the Toto. When you they put pikin inside and she they push and they come out, you know say Toto go cast. I don't know. I'm not comfortable staying with my wife. You are very stupid. Don't you know what is called marrying your best friend? I'm not chatting. If you're a married man, you're chatting with me, I'm bored. I will tell you go and meet your wife. Because one, when you marry her, you don't know what you want in a woman. Confused generation. You come here, you come and be telling side chick, baby, I want this. Then you go your house, you go the east for your wife. When you marry a church girl, don't you know the outcome of being churchos? So enjoy your church girl in peace now. Enjoy your wetin be that style. thunder fire you again. Yeah? You go come tell me say, my wife is not good in bed. When you married her, don't you know she's not good in bed?
Teacher.
Yes, teach her. You have 2 weeks to teach her. People Prohub no Prohub send you said they go soon go on strike because say they can't produce movie again. Prohub. So go X videos are still showing romantic. It's wickedness now. Let the wife. You can even invite side chick in your house so you can educate you and your wife at the same time.
If you go learn from side chick, you now go back. Go teach your
wife.
That's why you keep your leg like this.
But some wife we are brought up that. What in concern me? The wife, you not see people when they come here and shower there. The plenty now. As in I'm used to all those rubbish talk. Nothing where person will go tell me now.
Pandora, fire up. Loud the speaker. You go hear people go call sweet tire.
So my dear married men, if you chat me and tell me about, I will not answer you. You saw me before you married your wife.
Fire up.
Even though you did not see me before you marry your wife, you saw a sexy girl like me that was good in bed, but you want to marry wife material. They want to marry a wife material, because they wear long skirts. You understand? They no they dye hair. You know, see as I dye my hair, they go see say child this alboro, she go come finish me for house. Who send you? Who send you? Send your house. So you people should manage your wife. Manage the egusi soup. Me I dey here sef. I say my Uber no dey go, taxi no dey go. All the cab I want to know for Abuja, they tell me say they block all their road. I cannot even go out and even take one on. If I don't know that it would be like this, I would have pack my things and go to my boyfriend's house and start fucking. At least I sneakers. Me, I dey quick tired. I cannot stay with a man for 2 weeks. It's not even possible. I will be tired now. As soon as they tire for woman, they tire for one soup too.
You don't go wrong, go right, fire wrong. You don't go wrong, right, fire wrong.
Woman, they like change soup too. What thing go spoil this as in after this COVID-19 I be coronavirus. Side cock, that is side prick. What I mean side prick, side penis, we be in trouble, and side toto we be in trouble because side prick go rock because all these women, all these married women, they be ganja. Forget that they pretend for you will be their husband for bed. You want to have with their side cock hot way, they go finish you. And married men go come. They don't they post wetin they go do them. Die hard fan. As I get enemies for, I get people will be say fire on baby.
Fire on, no be Rebecca.
I have Rebecca here to cheer me up, bitch.
Your son's gone mad.
I'm not happy. Seriously, I'm not happy.
So now calls.
I'm not happy.
His phone.
This
I really have made such a big mistake.
see,
I shouldn't have hit him.
I need dick.
About his behavior.
I need dick. Like I need dick.
If my son cannot respect his mother,
Ah God, baby, inwa mo de oton. Hey, inwa mo de oton. If you suck a prick that is sweet. Ah, imagine who like the one in a haracha lollipop sweet.
And now you
You want to know how good a woman is in sucking dick? Give her a lollipop sweet.
that you want.
If you give her a lollipop sweet, she will be auto she rad the sweet. If she do it, I don't chop my cucumber finish. So I say I go keep this cucumber. My show na some things. I don't chop and finish, and I no get banana. I go say I know they remember. No worry, this lockdown, nowhere to go buy banana. Don't worry, you people have not seen anything yet. As far as I'm concerned, some people now, I know that some people that are cursing me. It's because of this coronavirus. I know the frustration you people are passing through. You can vent your anger. I can carry any cause. You know they pull this skin. You know they come off for this skin. I can bear any cause. You understand? I can tolerate anything. You can call me a prostitute. Or not they my call me a good bitch. Or not they my chop I force. You can upgrade your cause because I don't come this cause. Or they go tired of me. The cause that they go tired of me. I'm not tired of the cause. You can even find another thing again. I won't bubble ugly bitch. If not, are you people not intelligent? Use the Oxford Dictionary and find big causes and curse me. Which is ugly bitch, prostitute. Now new name. I started hearing that I'm a prostitute at the age of 7 years. So, you can hold on 7 years. In the next 8 for 7 days, I'm going to be 25 years. I'll be 26 years. So waiting be there. Waiting there. Waiting there. You know they peel my skin. It doesn't peel my skin, man. People should be intelligent enough to give me courses that I will go to Oxford Dictionary and look. It's not prostitute, ugly bitch. Your toto they smell. Why I not say my toto needs pass your girlfriend home? My toto needs pass your wife home. My toto tight even pass your generation home. So stop all this rubbish. Stop disgracing yourself, calling me names because it doesn't better me. Like it doesn't better me, bitch. If you want to call me names, you go to the dictionary, find names, call me so I can know. So you people should just forget about these things. You understand? So let's come about this fucking of a thing. Now see my this thing. Hey, naga. You people don't understand. You people don't understand. How we should people understand? You know this woman konji, like men, you know when una hit period, una know how it dey be now. You know how it dey be. Una know how it dey be. Una go dey hold una this thing. That's why it dey be me now. If I see man, I go rape man. And if you are my Facebook friend, inbox me. I want to rape somebody. I want to rape you. Kamza police case. I'm ready to answer police case. And this matter now, I'm horny. Like I'm not hiding it again. I'm horny. I want to be fucked. So just inbox me if you're in Abuja so I can come and rape you. Make sure say you're staying near me. If you're not staying near me, I cannot rape you. You have to stay highest 2 meters or a meter, kilometer away. A kilometer away from me so that I can easily access you, fuck you and go back to my house because at this rate person fit die you. See pimple now. Nah, show no. You see that pimple? Now because of the thing, kunaya, all those things mochara name auto bere mochara ya be the name pimple ni whom ni na go le no ba na. Pimple agbajo le nwa na de. O na mi onye elekweni ihe enwetere. Oyo. Abram na nyo anwola ma anwo. Okamma na me see if the let me tell you people something. If the world is ending tomorrow, I know my place already. The devil have already given me seats in hellfire, so nobody should remind me that I'm going to hellfire. I know. So if let me complete the scene. Like complete it. Me, I know say the world no go end though. I know say I never dey die. But you understand? Ma complete it. Let me complete this thing. Make sure say I'm okay. I fucked all the fuck. Like I fucked all the fuck. This is my pussy line. Yes. I know I have big clitoris. I know you people should stop looking at them. Must you all these children of Eve and Adam, all these devil children. I'm just talking innocently. People are looking at my pussy. My pussy. People are just looking at my pussy. Today I've not had your breasts before. I'm not really with your falling breast. I even showcase the breast. I even wear something where go show and I say I have falling breast. I'm showing people that I have falling breast. Like see the breast now. I one girl that is proud of myself. I one girl that it took time to appreciate myself. So what did he got cook one? that will disturb me. I'll continue to appreciate myself till my kingdom come, even till your own kingdom expire.
One jazz off. After watching it.
Please, you people should vote for me. I'm contesting for Adamu. People one of Facebook. People one of Facebook. I'm really I don't get 200 plus. People one of Facebook. Like, what are you? Which types are you people going to give me?
Oh, you're not doing hard.
You reply your chat and they call that one. In my home nature now, how the day will go for Kai go be? Like, how many times am I going to? How many condoms am I going to waste?
But that last man, they got where's the sister? No sisters, their boyfriend. No sisters. Car thunder fire you. Open your leg. You know gonna tell your girlfriend may open your leg, idiot. No man no ibem. Lendi iberibe ha bịakwara na akpọ m onye iberibe nwa emebiele mana onye iberibe gbe bịa hala life ha chọwa ihe iberibe onye iberibe ga-ekwu ndị iberibe ibe m abịa soro m na dị life ndị ihe ọjọọ all these bad children that are spoiled. If I finish this life now, I will be getting like 100 plus friend requests. Apart from that, if boss go catch fire, baby come let me satisfy your urge. Maybe I can fuck you till you come. Baby, where are you? Now up on that net to knock all this. Let her yourself. Oh, like it. Please don't open your leg. Your period and your whole period like
in my head, you don't have sense. I'm going to keep they see your toto way. All those people, I don't know them before they know me now.
Open the legs and let me see it. I'm going to
see all these Facebook people. Don't look. I tell you, say.
Open it, let me see it clearly.
I mean, let me tell you something about Facebook. When I started, you are a cheap prostitute. How about them? From a shower now, somebody have one high class a shower. At least I should learn from cheap to a shower. From a shower to high class a shower. I'm progressing. My ministry is going to very soon now. I'll start doing hair. Acquire natural. Maybe no fake life. Ebe m na-enwe ego na account m. M ga-agazu every day m zọ new clothes with their ties. Fuck you. I don't have. I'm not going to buy any new thing to entice any fucking new person. Like, I'm coming out to disgrace you people.
I tell you bad mouth.
I'm not going to please anybody. Shall I go do your life? If you don't want to watch me, fuck off. I cannot go and put my hand where I come near. For the Facebook or for the gram. For what? Nah, audio money. Nah, no, I don't get this. I don't get. If you want dash me, you dash me. Where on? If you say FM you don't like it, upgrade my wardrobe. You will need your ego. Stop talking. If you don't have money, don't talk to me, man. I want need the poor like me, a broke ass nigga like me, Gabena say me, you wear good clothes and you self you no get. All these people are annoying, man. All these people, they are very annoying. You are broke. You cannot even afford pants as I cannot afford pants. Again, a costume. Are you not stupid? Can't you pray for prosperity?
I'm coming at you so that in case someone get help on them, or you help them. I will not be pretending only try to help myself. Na mwaka mo. Nga ngori kemboro fake hair ne rume ba miri on ngori ka I hope mego ya zori am. I cannot do it.
I like the voice I'm hearing.
I like one voice I'm hearing there. I shall now if they hear them because
I'm vaccine for coronavirus. Come and give Nigeria. It's Nigeria that needs
no, I don't need them. I don't need the vaccine for coronavirus. And I don't see. Let me tell you, people, I don't need to dress to come live. I can wear my pants and bra and say I want to come live and come live. I can even carry my falling breath and come live. It's not my business. It's none of your business. I don't have money to buy new hair. Every time I want to come live, I'll carry new hair. Every day I'll be buying at least the cheapest clothes where person go buy now 7,000 just to impress one food that I've not even credited my account for one day. What are you telling me?
Who are you?
Father doesn't want that.
Who are you to tell me what to wear and what not to wear? You have not credited my account. Okay, baby, I don't like this thing you're wearing. Okay, let me credit your account. Buy some things for yourself. Yeah, that's it. If you are wearing ragis, send the account number inbox. I would get about them. Now inbox send that. Now me go come appreciate you for real life. Say see what you do. Yeah, Marcos, share my post. Marcos, share my post. You understand? I don't block Taya. I dey block. I know after this live, I won't block like 3 people. Well, I see for now, I dey do. If my spirit don't accept 3 people, I block them. So they're not going to see my post, so that I'm not going to talk rubbish with them. But people that are enjoying me, and they're having fun. Like, see, my breast is increasing.
You made me cry. I know.
My friends are beautiful. You people, I beg, I need to distract them, let them marry. If you people are interested, they are not like me. I'm the only bad person among my friends. Like, I'm corrupt, yes, but my friends are good girls. I follow good girls so that I can be good small now. I cannot be bad and still follow bad people. I will just die. So I follow good girls. People should not worry. If you like them chubby, I have them chubby. If you like them tall, slim with portable nyash, I have them. Then if you like them chubby with breast and nyash, I have them. Then if you like them chubby, like sweet chubby, not be yeah chubby, I have them. I have any friend.
Me? Why me?
They can't show their face. I'm a celebrity. They don't show their face anyhow. My friends don't show they're celebrities' friends. Like, they're celebrities.
Go on.
I started keeping to myself, and I became an introvert. People at school.
Send your account number. Don't be by word. We send your account number.
You know how many people don't tell me send my account number? Nobody don't credit me before. After live now, you go see now. I like 3 people don't tell me.
Any person will send you money. Tell you say that I will credit and be sure the as you.
They appreciate the person
You
now.
appreciate the
Most
person
of
for
what
them.
all of them have audio send the account number. Now I'm live back. I'm where agoro na agumo. Like I'm hungry. I'm very, very hungry. But I
don't finish my one.
I went and bought food stuff for 2 weeks. Can you imagine? In 3 days I finished it, and now I'm hungry.
Eat a lot.
I'm getting fat in my cheek, and now I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning. I don't chop since morning.
No.
I've not eaten since morning now. This chopping I chop.
I want mess, Becky.
Mess now. I swear.
The vibration.
I don't even check out. When I'm not say my pussy line come they increase. Are you people not seeing it to my phone? Ike, you're my true fan. No, you know say my pussy line. I swear my pussy don't boom.
Business in my heart was
Otonago. Otonago. Garlic. Otonago.
I'm sorry for where with garlic.
I swear. I garlic.
And that niggas like a taba for it.
But I would never want to
Work on a mara.
relationship.
No, that.
I'm going to go.
I want to know.
It's my.
I don't take no. That was different. Ọkọ fún dem ga akọ eduka.
Men, girls can lie. You know, girls can lie. You know,
Babe, 12 for us now. Play music and 12 for. You dey pay for twerking.
How many times you don't recharge my phone at the twerk? Nah, true. You don't tell what I twerk for them. No way, I'll twerk. I'll twerk it,
I play music.
No, no one. I don't hungry. I don't hungry badly. Conji hold me. Not say as I use my hand hold my toto since. You will not say the conji is real. The conji is real.
Person call you Toto.
No, now my prick now. You know, we know what's up.
What is that on your back?
What's in there like that?
Eh?
Now cotton no.
Okay, pure water or content.
Okay, pure water.
It's again and go now.
Ask him, Joseph. Hey, you go and buy something.
Hungry man. I'm bored in the house.
Even me, I'm confused.
Yes, we have chef in the house. So. In case you people want food. Yeah, in Abuja. But not be this lockdown. After this lockdown, we are coming out big. Yeah? Yeah?
She told me that Uday is going back to college. I'm glad he made that decision.
I love you.
And his friend,
Now, I get one guy who I see for my Facebook.
Larry Sugar is working.
but then
You get one guy who I see for my Facebook.
Sex, Larry Sugar.
And my local hand, all these fuck boys.
when father sees
You get one boy who I see for my Facebook. If you see this guy, oh shit. I see this guy Toto wet immediately for picture. Talk of when I can't see this guy in real life. I was imagining, immediately I saw the guy, I was imagining what we are going to do in bed if we are together. Hey! No worry, if you not get better something, I go use my own, do am better.
and give me a big
My Toto can handle any dick. I go do am better, I go better the dick for him. Him go dey feel in dick, him go dey enjoy in dick self. Oh God, God, thank you for creating dick. If you not create dick, your people will perish. I don't know how go, but if you want to come, you can never smile. I'm sorry.
Oh baby.
Oh baby, I'm coming. But I'm telling you, maybe if I want to spend more time, I'm gonna.
Now you know that it is this picture that you saw. Like
Elvis na fool. Elvis na fool.
father is not going to tell you what we decided.
DK,
When we first came to
leave me alone.
right?
That you just hold it. That if you want squirting, not say squirting, screaming, they're different from normal coming. You understand that thing? When you want to squirt and when you want to scream. The milkish thing, you just.
Yes. Sweating, watery coming.
Yes.
The milkish coming.
And the normal come.
Normal come.
The drawing
So,
come.
when you reach the normal come, and man take you reach that extent of milk.
Any man,
To the extent
any
of
man will
sweating
take you.
come.
oh, let's not talk about Australia. Australia.
I don't like that.
Like, you know me and my friend that be analyzing it. You guys don't know that you can make a woman come, but you can some.
Three heavens.
Yes, everybody three heaven.
Okay, thank God. Let's add our talking about the one can say no. I'm going to add our talking about which is the logo.
One, you have squirting. You have two types of squirting.
What
The
is
milkish.
squirting?
That's what I want to explain. The milkish one. No, that you come is different from. Yes, two types of squirting. The milkish and the watering. Then you have that one where we say it will be milkish. I know. I did it long story.
I'm not you. I did an interview for no problem.
My girlfriend said, "Uju, you will kill me." You know that kind milky sweating, like when you sweat. That milky sweat is very white. So I mean white, it's very white, and it go through the. That one is the highest sweating. Any woman you're again can't too love you, man. That means the woman is attracted to you. She have been wanting to fuck you. You understand? She wants to fuck you, like she would like to do, like, but when the woman come, normal come, you know that maybe she just wants to come, like. Amaka, Evie say know your voice. She say make you show your face.
See Amaka, I passed through.
See, she just passed now. Evie, this Amaka that I'm saying, she's fat. She's fine. She have fine face. She's on low cut like me. Do you know her? Where do you know her from?
You and I your group, you know.
Waiting be your name, Classy. I be waiting. Classy Wealthy. I don't see you. Nice prostitute, indoors prostitute. I know. Before I do anything, I know I'm a girl now. Before I do anything, I know I'm a girl. I know that you're a girl.
My phone out.
I'm a girl. We are girls. You live your life. Don't advise me on how to live my life. Or whether I'm a girl, so you will say after now, you will not, if you do not see husband, you go to church and start crying. Shut up, I have 2 boys. If you do me too much, if I get money, I born one girl, join them, I don't born finish. What is they there?
Fight that. Chicken now.
I have 2 boys already, so stop even saying husband will not marry you. Who is even interested? Rubbish. I'm interested in my happiness. I know it's not any man.
I know the people to read that.
You understand? Think you can't show them your bomb now. I won't make my friends marry this year. I beg. I have potential. I have potential husband materials in my this.
No, I said who?
Amaka, is a squirt. Is a squirt?
Yes.
Elvis. She said she's squirt.
I'm always honey for cash, man.
No. Amaka said cash makes her honey. Me, fine boy makes me honey.
Everybody know that.
Becky na anyugodi ngwogwo. Nke amụhe nwa na anyụrụ m. Imakwa this guy, I as in I'm pity her boyfriend. This guy na anụ, you know Guruntula. If you are in Abuja, do you know what is called Guruntula? Guruntula is a medicine for the toto. It makes your toto silky, slimy, delicious, pontolicious pussy. When you are entering the toto, you like, baby, kill me. I want to die inside this pussy. If you not shut a man, no. If you say that like, no, put that money, man, carry Becky toto give you. Try yam.
My vote you on, my phone.
Try am. If you say that Gruntula now no go make you shout. If you tell Becky your account your ATM
send me your account number.
No, he go say Becky, my ATM pin is 1, 2, 3, 5. Or you go and withdraw them. You go do am. Becky don't dey drink. Hey God. Hey God.
My phone.
I just dey pity the boyfriend. The boyfriend. Me, I know they do boyfriend, they do sugar daddy. Shut up, I know they do boyfriend. What are you teaching your kids? Ta, Meshon. What are you happier?
Now this is you.
Tomorrow.
Waiting tomorrow. We stop.
You when they talk, waiting of them. That's the reason why we run.
Okay.
Nah, Francisca, but don't worry, not be use of.
Make I don't should be the spice of this. Make I open Facebook again.
This Elvis na shower man. He know what I'm asking again. He wants Becky. He say ma tell Becky, make Becky add down.
Because
Francisca don't money.
okay, because hey, I beg you, the broken bears.
But who be this classic wealthy? I be waiting be her name. I don't even know that I have such. I don't accept female friends apart from the people I know, like my friends. I don't accept female friends because females don't think. They don't think. They are very foolish. I cannot even accept any female friends. I don't even like female friends. I swear, this classic wealthy. I don't even know. I'll block you so you not be seeing my stupidity. And people calling my thing stupid. That I don't have sense, that I'm this. Why would you block me? Don't you people know how to block somebody? Are you people so that daft? If I look at something you're doing and it's annoying me, I don't comment. I'll just go click on your bio, block you instantly. I not ask you to watch me to be a happening girl, and I not ask you to do anything for that. And it's not your happening. Is it your happening? Is it your girl? Then why are you bothered? Am I your sister? Am I your brother? Are we sharing the same this thing?
Oh, yes, get mad though. Oh, yes, you're absolutely right. Call your girlfriend, make I see her face. If not, I go seize your sleep.
But this already they tell me say I give you. I not get money. Who say you need wife? Yes, I have potential wife materials. Anyone. I have people in Owerri. I have people in Abuja here. I have people in Lagos. No, all those Lagos, yes.
Yes, so now at that time, enjoy yourself.
Pooja,
I dey get fans so. I don't know say I get fans like this.
They look like
Shall I prop?
That is still waste your data they watch. Don't be fool. Make I see your friend's face. Yay.
I will give you their Facebook this thing. You can go and look for them. I will give you people with your Facebook, their Facebook password for you people to go and see them. You understand? You know why I know they talk all these people what they cause. Go their profile check. They are the poorest people in this world. A rich guy with sense that have money that don't have time for shit that cannot come and be commenting shit. Any rich person is a positive minded person.
Hear this talk. Anybody that destroys this one must pay us back.
So you know why I know they even bother me. They don't start deception.
Why they want that thing?
Hey, see where this boy jump from? See where Neren jump from? Okay, now guys, you people should take care. Let's chat next time. I'm tired and it's like that. Start my favorite easy word. I thank you for those haters. People should share me. You can even tag this the prostitute girl. You can tag any bad word. Make sure you share my video. Share my video. I love you all.
Please open the door.
Okay, I won't give that to the kids. You the craze. You carry prostitute put for yard. Idiot. Sorry, you not be idiot.
How?
Okay, now bye bye guys. See you guys later.